Can I ask what you're sailing, gentlemen?
I'm sailing the white one. They're an Adamcraft. They were built from a copy of a kit that an ex-Navy officer brought out in about 1947.
Right.
He'd been working on motor torpedo boats, rescue boats, wooden, so he knew all about wood. And he brought out these kits in 1947. And one of our friends, he's got the yellow one. And he bought 2 or 3 of these things. One of them was in a poor state, so he took it to bits. And I've copied the frames, and then they're clinker built, which is quite difficult. And there they go. But they sound they're delicate for the wind. So they've got quite a leaded keel underneath to keep them up.
You've got a nice little bit of wind today, though.
Yes, yes, yes.
And you're having fun, what, racing around these little...
Well, the 3 of us are trying to sort of race, but it's not very, not abiding by all the rules probably, but it's a bit more fun than just motoring.
Just going up and down.
Yeah, yeah. It makes you think with this wind, because it's chopping and changing.
Well, that's the skill, I guess, right?
Oh, yes.
Adapting to the wind.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Keeps boredom away.
It's called the Adamcraft.
Adamcraft.
Adamcraft, yes, it is.
I love them.
Mine will just fill up the sink.
Oh dear,
So,
don't want that.
If you get a gust, you've got to free the wind off, free the sail off.
So are the hulls, are they built up from wood, or do you get that?
No, no. This was totally scratch built.
Wow. So like a proper hull. Then.
Yeah, yeah. I photocopied the bits of these original. I'll bring it in and show you. So wooden frames inside on a keel.
And all pin.
Every plank is a different shape.
Wow.
And,
so there's a plan for this then, and they cut the pieces and then
yeah, we
pin
got
it and glue it together.
We got the original planks to copy, but when you actually build them, the copies don't actually work out. So you finish up with tiny adjustments. So every plank is a different shape.
Yeah, there's a plan available.
Well, it's wood, so a little bit of sanding and
you build it yourself with scissors.
Scissors.
Coat of scissors.
Oh, okay.
Sand up the edges.
Because it's that thin.
Yeah, and they're bonded with PVA between them. Yeah, and they've got 1/16th overlap.
Right. Okay.
16th or 32nd
Right.
plywood.
Okay. Beautiful.
Very strong. They're very light.
They're quite tough. Well, it's very expensive, this plywood, 1/32 plywood.
1/32.
Yeah, I think the hull cost me about £40 because you waste so much wood.
No, just hold it. How heavy it is. Oh, it's got a little. Oh, you've got lead in it. You've got a lead in the back.
Today. I added that bit on the day. It's not very pretty, but it's functional today until I make a proper one.
Roger's one got the proper drop keel on it.
Yeah.
Can you hold it up for a picture? Beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
They bring a lot of pleasure for such a small craft.
Yeah, I bet.
You're putting this on Mayhem.
I've got my own YouTube channel, Essential RC.
Oh right.
Got about 700,000 followers.
Right. What will I find it on?
I'll post them to the the Mayhem forum.
Okay.
And website.
Right. Okay.
Martin will sort that out, I'm sure.
Right. Yeah, YouTube.
Essential.
If I put YouTube Wicksteed Park, would that find it?
I'll put that as a tag. Yes.
Yeah. Then that'll be easier for me. I'm 82, so technical computers is over my head.
Don't worry, we're all like that. But thank you for the demo. Lovely.